Yeah, it worked. I'm a pro. So that was another successful repair. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm recording this video on my phone now. This was the old battery. It was what was giving me problems before. Basically, it just was running out of battery like really quick, and it's a problem that a lot of iPhone users run into, especially with older models. And it's the longer people use them, the more likely these batteries start to not hold as much charge, and that's just normal. That's just how physics works. The last time I did this was with an iPhone 6. So it's huge, right? And some of you might know, bigger cases means easier to work with, and the 6 was really easy to work with because there was so much space. But this one was annoying. It was really annoying. Oh, I've gotten my hands dirty a few times now, and well, it works. I'm good at it. Thanks again for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next episode. So, as always, stay fiery. Have a good one.